Good morning. I'm currently on my way to United Rentals. I'm gonna pick up a mini excavator with a hammer, and we got actually 2 jobs at one place today. So we got about 3 days to do them. The first job, which we're gonna start today, is we're removing a propane tank. Tomorrow the propane company is coming in to put a new tank, so we got to get the old one removed today and a whole dugout and prepped. Then tomorrow we'll be backfilling the tank, and we have a drain that we have to hammer out. We got to remove the current drain, hammer it, and move it about 2 to 4 feet to the left. So pretty easy, simple job. Just because it's hammering, I'm going to go rent a mini. I actually don't have a mini right now. I sold my mini a little while back and never replaced it. Something about, buying a massive excavator and just completely ignoring the fact that I need a mini. So we're renting for now until we can get our act together here. But anyways, we'll see you on the job site. So we are on site here. As you can see in front of me, there is a guy digging a pool. So yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen today, I guess. But at least the homeowner told me it wasn't happening today. But I guess now it's happening today. So unfortunately, he's placing all the dirt right where I gotta dig, which is fine. Totally fine with me. But he's gonna move it, so that's good. So I'm just kind of just because they put a whole pile right at our axis, I'm out trying to move some of this brush and other crap that's in the way to give me access to the propane tank. The issue is gonna be the propane company's gotta get in here too. So that's gonna suck. Whatever. At that and we're like, that thing's heavy as can be. That came out easy as cake. Okay, so end of day. We did pretty good. We got the old tank out. Tomorrow we're gonna have to scrape this down level and backfill with some of some new sand. Then we gotta come here and finish up this hole. So I gotta hammer out this little bit of ledge right here, and then we're gonna cut that pipe. We're gonna pull this over to close to here, like as close to this kind of big ledge piece right there that we can. Then we're going to reset it. So this pipe, we're gonna probably put a 45 kind of towards me and another 45 going straight, so the water will come out and just go down like that. So I gotta get some pipe. So once we get on our foot, we're gonna put about 6 inches of sand on the bottom of it, and then we should be pretty good. So there you go now. Raise it up. But it was just the angle of the truck was not great, especially the pool hole right there. They weren't supposed to dig the pool, I guess, or the pool guy said, the customer said they wanted it dug right away, so the pool guys rushed over here, and then the customer told me, he's like, oh, I didn't know they were going to start so soon. So a lot of, I guess, mixed communications going on here. So we were supposed to have more room to do this, but unfortunately we don't now. So we're just doing what we can with the space we got. You know, I wanted to, if I had the room, I would have had them, or I would have had my driver just dump it like on the other side of the hole. And then we could have had the propane guy come in and drop the thing right in the hole. It would have been freaking awesome. But fortunately, that's not how it worked out. So we are placing the propane tank finally. My camera died when we were working on the drain, but we got it. We raised it up a couple inches, so it's all good. So now we're trying to place this in the hole. Okay. You have the tape measure? I'll go get it. We have to hold on because we need 24 inches on each side of the tank.
Dejando 24 inches.
De aquí está diciendo clarito, the edge de la tierra 24 inches.
Look.
Yeah.
So the edge here,
Yeah.
24 inches, right, from the dirt.
Right there.
Yep, right there. Okay, perfect. Yep. So the edge of the tank go there. Then this one. So then the sides, 24 inches at least from the wall.
From the top.
From here.
Yeah.
24 inches from here to the side.
24.
Yeah. On each side. Yep. Okay. 24 from that. Alright, the tank's got to be somewhere in those lines. We're going to put this line as far as we can this way, on this line, and then there's somewhere in those lines for the rest of it.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to put sand, and we got to get the sand underneath.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that end good? Is the end good? Okay. Hold on. Let's see what we got going on down here. Hey, take it, put it on 1 tooth, the one in the middle. Which way? Towards you?
Go back. Okay.
Down?
Yeah. Okay.
Left?
Yeah.
Yeah, back.
Don't tell me you gotta take it out again.
Let's see how tall it is to the top of that.
Careful.
This way.
¿Necesitan un hombre ahí o qué?
Got it? All right, now we're making progress. Move this. Where did my shovel go? There it is. Okay. You back in there a little bit. Uh-oh. I'm gonna say that's as good as we're gonna get it. We got the, what is it, like asphalt sewer stuff on there too, but I'm still gonna caulk a little bit. I got this concrete adhesive, so we're just gonna caulk around here now, and also get around the pipe. So and what happened yesterday was when we were setting these, we actually were 3 inches too low, so we had to pull them back out. My camera died at that point. Fortunately I didn't get it, but we pulled them back out and we reset them. All right, that's all done. All right, we're here. Whoop, just get it. Da, 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 da. Boy. All right. I'm gonna hopefully be able to backfill this propane tank pretty quick here. My hope here is that I can backfill this propane tank and I won't need too much more sand. Best case scenario, I won't need any more sand. Worst case scenario, I need a little more sand. I'd say half a triaxle worth. Get this machine over to my other job and be done with this one before tomorrow, so we're gonna find out. I do have a lot of that stuff I dug up is sand, so I could use that, but you know, I don't want to if I don't have to. Spin this one on the other side. I got a nice little rock. Oh wait, no, I dropped the rock. We're good. The point of using sand to backfill the tank is that you don't get rocks against the tank. Alright, so we got that all backfilled in with sand. Got our anode bag wire right there, so the propane guys can do whatever they do with that. And now we're just gonna dump a bunch of this dirt back. I think I'm gonna try to use this dirt first. See if I can get around in there and get it. I want to build this up to about here. So a lot of dirt to just kind of spread out. That's good for now. They're gonna still spread some topsoil when the pool's done. So this is about our grade. It's a little high right there, but this is pretty much the grade we wanted at. That way they can put a couple inches of topsoil right there. So perfect. That's all set. On to the next one.